Look at this. This is absolutely freaking stunning. This is freaking stunning, okay? Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Okay? Look at that glow. Yeah, I know I always gotta do extra shit, okay? I always got to be extra, but look at that. Okay, y'all make sure that you go in light, because you can always build up, but it's harder to take it away after you didn't put it on. But this is beautiful. This is absolutely stunning. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Ego Tripping, and I'm back with another video. I am back with another video, y'all. Today, I'm coming to you guys with the base box for the month of May. This base box is $27.99 a month. It comes with 5 full-size items, and you do get to choose one of the items. If you guys are interested in this box, I'll make sure to link it down below. Or if not, you can go head on over to Boxycharm's website and check it out on your own. But I'm going to be showing clips of the items that I tried on out of the box. So I hope you guys are all doing well. And we finna hop into this box. Y'all know I don't like to, I do like to run my mouth, but I like to get into the box. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my box, then let's get on into it. So here's the box right here. And again, it comes with 5 full-size products. You do get to choose one item, and it's $27.99 a month. So the theme of the month is Super Bloom. And you guys do know that they always have the items and the name of the prices on the Bazak. Okay? So let's get into this box. The first item in the box is by Cab, or I want to say Cab, K-A-B Beauty. And I've definitely received items from her before. I forget her name, but it's from the Real Housewives of Atlanta, or not Atlanta. Maybe is it Atlanta? I don't know. Don't give me the line. Anyways, I received products from them before, and they was okay. I don't find myself typically. What did I get from her? I think we got like a bronzing palette that I threw a fit about, like a contour palette that I think I threw a fit about, because it looked nice, but it just wasn't my shade. And maybe a couple more items, but I don't find myself using them. And maybe because I got a lot of stuff, but it's okay. I love these. These are lip glosses. And this is called Cab Cosmetics. That's what it is. Cab Cosmetics Lemon and Lime Lip Duo. And this is going for $39. Now, would I pay $39 for them? Absolutely not. That's why I get these boxes. These are so stinking cute, okay? So pretty. These are so pretty. They do smell like candy. Like, to me, they smell like Skittles, like the lime Skittles and the green Skittles. It smells absolutely adorable. I love it. And I did put them on. So here it is right here. A little sticky. A lot sticky, actually. But they definitely give your lips a shine. These are cute. I love these. These are adorable. Again, would I pay $39 for them? Absolutely not. But that's why we receive these boxes. So, again, this is $39. And it is a lip gloss duo in lemon and lime. So, very cute. Very, very, very cute, okay? Very cute. So, that is item number 1. Okay. Next item in the Bazak is the Dominique Cosmetic Blur Moisture Serum Primer. And this is going for $28. So this is just a primer, and it's going for $28. It says, this refreshing gel serum primer instantly hydrates your skin, giving you a smooth, even canvas for makeup application. With the active ingredient of Salperin, I don't know what that is, Salperin 8, you will notice your skin hydration level boost by 600% within 30 days. Packed with the clean powerhouse ingredients like hyaluronic acid, I don't know all of these words. It's got a lot of stuff in here, good stuff. And a unique sugar complex, that delivers a burst of hydration that helps your skin to maintain the moisture. Plus, it has a refreshing cooling effect that'll be used that'll be sure to wake your skin up. So again, this is going for $28. I did put this on and I loved it. I loved how it had my makeup sitting. My pores aren't visible. Actually, it'll look a hell of a, my pores look a hell of a lot smaller. So here it is right here, y'all. I'll show you guys a video of me using it, but I love it, okay? So this is the primer right here. And it has a nice little cute pump on there. So yes, 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 absolutely. Very happy with this. Very happy with that. Okay, next item in the box is the Item Beauty Addison Rae Air Hug Concealer. And that concealer is going for $18. And I do have one already, you guys. It's just that the one that I got is lighter. But this is my shade. I really, really like this. And what I did was I mixed these two together because I like a lighter under eye. But it worked really good. The concealer right here. This is the shade that I got right here, which is in the shade 330. Now I really, actually I was skeptical about Addison Rae's line of stuff, but everything that I've tried of hers I really actually love, to be honest. I loved her concealer because I have one right here. It was just this was too light for me, obviously, as you can see. It was really, really light, but I still liked it. So what I did was I just mixed these two shades together and it worked out really, really good. I tried her Brow Chow, which is her eyebrow definer brush. And I've tried her concealer, of course, and her mascara. So I like all her stuff. So this is that. I love the applicator. It's nice and big. Wrong one. Let me show y'all my color one. So this is really pretty. I love that. Again, this is going for $18. Would I pay $18 for this? I absolutely would. I absolutely would. So I love it. So that is that. This box is hitting, okay? This box is hitting. This box is definitely hitting. All right, the next item in the box, you guys, is by Yensa, and it's a beauty blender or beauty sponge, whatever you want to call it. And this is going for $18. And I absolutely love Yensa. I don't know. That Yensa is a company that I just recently found out about through Boxycharm and through Ipsy. But I'm gonna tell y'all something. Yensa, I think I'm pronouncing that right. But I have absolutely adored every freaking thing that they have, okay? Yensa is, I think they're gonna be blowing up because their items, they're gonna be big. If they not, well, I ain't gonna say they're gonna be big. I feel like Yensa's a really, really good company. I don't know too much about them. I don't know too much about them, but I do know that the items that I've tried by Yensa, I absolutely love them. So, anywho, this is a beauty sponge and it's going for $18, and I love how I've used this already. I'll show you guys a clip right here. But I absolutely love how it has this this cut in there because it's easy to get in here with powder or makeup or concealer, or you can kind of, you know what I'm saying, define and cut away at your face with the makeup. I love it. I love this sponge. I love this. I love this. And this is $18. Now, would I pay $18 for this sponge? Absolutely not. Absolutely. It's a little too steep for me for the sponge, but it is a good quality sponge. I like it. I love it. All right, so that is that. Our final freaking product in the freaking box. Ooh, complex culture. Complex culture. We need to talk, okay? Because this palette is every freaking thing. So the next item in the box, of course, is by Complex Culture, and it is the Baked Highlighter and Bronzer Quad. So here it is right here, okay? It looks so simple but so elegant to me, in my opinion. This is so pretty. I love the trimming around here. Is it gold? I don't know, gold, silver. I don't know. It's absolutely gorgeous though. Look at that. Let me show y'all this palette. This is so beautiful. So it has a mirror right here. Look at this. This is absolutely freaking stunning. This is freaking stunning, okay? Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Okay? Look at that glow. Yeah, I know I always got to do extra shit, okay? I always got to be extra, but look at that. Okay, y'all make sure that you go in light, because you can always build up, but it's harder to take it away after you didn't put it on. But this is beautiful. This is absolutely stunning. This is absolutely stunning. So let me do this one and then this one right here. Look at those highlighters. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me clean that up a little bit. This is beautiful. Looks a little bit ashy, but it's beautiful though. It's really not. I just put too much. Look at my face. You can see it. Y'all see it on my face. I did go in a little deep there, but it's pretty to me. It's really, really pretty to me. So I usually don't wear colors like that, but I do have it on. I think it's pretty. I don't know. I kind of feel like it. Yeah, I feel like it's pretty. And then these are the bronzer shades right here. So, and I did use that. You guys will see a clip right here. So this is beautiful. This is so, it's pretty. Very elegant to me. It's a cute little palette. So this is a cute little quad palette right here by Complex Culture. And I do believe, let me see, this is going for $42. And this is the only new launch. So this is a new launch, and this is it's a bronzer. So yeah, I use a bronzer color right here for my cheekbones, but it's absolutely adorable. So I love this. This is hitting, okay? This is hitting. So this box was damn good for me. I'm feeling real special this month, okay? So this base box was good. This base box was good. So for the month of May 2022, in my base box from Boxycharm, I received this quad palette right here from Complex Culture for $42. And it was absolutely freaking stunning. Okay? Just gorgeous. I mean, definitely in love. We received our sponge by Yensa right here. We received the Dominique Cosmetic primer right here, and I love this. Gorgeous. I love the pump as well. We received the Air Hug Concealer by Adam Beauty right here. Nice juicy bottle too. This is a nice little cute little fat bottle. This will last for a little minute, so I like that. Okay, so we have that. And last in the box, is these two lemon and lime lip oil duo right here. And these were cute. It's not bad. It's not like, it's sticky, but it's not uncomfortably sticky for me. But here they are right here. So we got a good box. We got a damn good box, okay? Wow. I got all makeup. I can't even freaking believe it. I got all makeup. Why am I just now realizing that I just got all makeup? The primer is makeup. The sponge. I mean, I had no, this box was hitting, okay? So that is our box. This box definitely get a 5 out of 5 for me, okay? This box get a 5 out of 5. I am in love. Let me get you guys a total for this box, and I'm gonna come right back. This was a beautiful, this box was everything. I love this box. There's nothing in here that I didn't like. There's nothing in this box that your girl didn't like. So let me get you guys a total, and I'm gonna be right back. And then we gonna go, okay? We gonna go. So let me get the total. I'll be right back. So y'all, the box was worth $145. It was worth $145, and for me, That box was freaking the bomb. That was a really, really good box. Actually, I don't even remember the last time I received a box that didn't have skincare in it. Not that I hate skincare, but I really love the fact that I just got like all makeup in that box. I mean, it don't get no better than that. The base box have been a little kind of hit and miss, you know what I mean? So for me to get this box was a freaking bomb. Like, it's definitely a 5 out of 5. I loved every item in that box. So my base box and premium box was the bomb. I loved it. So, and I don't look like the lip gloss is staying on there either. It seems like the lip gloss comes like right off. So other than that, that was a damn good box. So that is it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know what you received in your box. Let me know what items you like, what items you didn't like. And if you don't get a box, that's okay. Let me know what items you would like to try. Let me know what items you tried already. So that is it. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to me, okay? To me. And that is it for this video. I'm gone. I gotta go to my training. I got some things to do. Y'all have a wonderful weekend. It is Friday, and hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful, blessed weekend. Enjoy the sun because it is out. The sun is out. I thank God for it because the sun gives me my energy. I need that energy, honey. I need the energy. So that is it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think down below. And please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Subscribe. No, I appreciate y'all subscribing, though. We finna hit that 2K. We're gonna try this damn giveaway again, okay? Because the first time was a flop. The first time was definitely a flop. And it wasn't on my end, but we're gonna do it again. We finna hit that 2K. And we're gonna do this giveaway. So thank you to all my new subscribers. Hello, how are you? Thank you for subscribing to me, and let me go. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. And yeah, that's it. Let me go. I will see you guys in my next video. I am ego tripping. And I'm out. Bye, y'all. Bye.